Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600 and concept is subject verb agreement and parallelism. So let us begin. It says Minnesota is the only one of the contiguous 48 states that still has a sizable world population and where this predator remains archenemy of cattle and sheep. Alright, so first of all, subject verb agreement error. This is has. So for has, what is subject? States, because the rule we have learned that if verb falls after that, after which, after who, subject will be previous noun. But here states is not subject. Remember people, if you find that before that, before which and before who, if it is adverb or if it is place or time, if before that which who, if before that which who is time, place or any adverb, in that case subject will be before preposition and that is why one will be the subject. Now look at the sense also. It says one of the contiguous 48 states has a sizable world population. It's been one state has sizable population. All right. So there is no subject verb agreement error. I hope you got the rule. Rule is what? In case of adverb before that, before which, before who, subject will be before first preposition. In case of place, in case of time, again subject will be before preposition. All right. So option A, B, C, D, E. Every option is fine from subject verb agreement point of view. Now coming to the parallelism part. So here it said state that has sizable world population and where there is predator. So if after and there is where, so before also should be where somewhere in the sentence and that is missing, because here it is that and it is where, no parallelism, and that is why option A out. All right, let us move to option B. Same problem, right? So option B out. Option B has one more problem, that is called there is no conjunction. All right, it means what? It will be dependent and independent clause and that will change meaning. Now option C, same problem, that cannot be parallel with where and that is why it is parallelism error. Option D says where the population of wolves is still sizable and this predator remains archenemy of cattle sheep. What is missing? Where is missing. One side it is where, second side there is no where and that is why it is incorrect. Remember people, semicolon also plays a role of and, but after and there must be where and that is why option E becomes best option.